Hi guys, welcome to my channel Roots for Software Engineer. In this video, I will cover about Boolean type of data by using useState. Okay. Now, without let me take first our React file into Visual Studio. It is loading. Just wait. Fine. Now, previously we covered about string data, right? Now go with here another component with the Boolean. Okay. Now take here Boolean. Okay, now boolean, what is it, boolean state, boolean use state. We'll consider boolean use state dot, okay, JSX enter. Okay, next create a function. How to create function? First we need to go with the import react from the React library, and next after this one we are taking here, okay, now function keyword and followed with the function name, right? And take function name as boolean, function name as boolean data parenthesis, and inside go with one return keyword, and inside the return keyword then take first one element to check whether this file executing or not. Okay, how to check it? Welcome to, I will write one statement, welcome to user state, welcome to user state, user state with user state with okay, let me write user state with, okay, now boolean data, use state with boolean data. Okay, next we need to go with the exporting of this statement, then take export keyword followed with the default and take as boolean data. Okay, next import it into app.js by using import keyword and take as component name as boolean data, and utilize call your component data by using boolean data. Okay, and next execute this one, go with the command prompt. Okay, and in the command prompt take your changing directory to the project, and next npm run dev enter. Okay, if our what is it, program will run successfully, then we'll write logic for the boolean. Okay, yes, fine, it is giving properly boolean data, then we'll write logic here. Okay, now for that one we need to use here one, what is it, hook, call it as use state hook. Okay, now for this use state hook we need to import here, then importing is done. Okay, and inside I will go with value as false, default value I am considering, and use state will return one array, and array will need one, okay, now keyword, right? Then take keyword as len and go with as the state as a variable name to carry our current value, and set state is a function to update our value. Okay, next after completion of that one I need to wrap it, right? So boolean values directly it will not give, means we cannot observe our browser. We need to go with the logic for this one. Okay, before going to logic I will wrap this into fragment. Okay, empty fragments I am taking and wrap it. Now write the logic. If it is false I will go with the one condition, if it is true I will go with another condition. Okay, now what is that condition looking? Take as, okay, now flower base and inside a state, inside state, okay, inside state, and inside the state what value we have? False. Okay, so I will go with the ternary condition, and inside the ternary condition, okay, now take as one string data. Okay, now take as, what is it, one string data, and again colon and follow the false string data, follow the false string data. Okay, now first I will give false data, call it as not subscribed. Okay, not subscribed, then true condition means, otherwise I will take it as, okay, go with a statement as not subscribed. Okay, not subscribed, so please subscribe, so please subscribe, 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 and follow channel, and follow. Okay, now my channel I'm giving like this. Okay, next we'll follow here, we'll follow the true condition. Okay, now true condition means what? Okay, now already you subscribe, right? Then I will tell. Okay, now thanks for, okay, now thanks for subscribing, thanks for subscribing. Okay, thanks for subscribing. Let me take here G. Okay, thanks for subscribing. Okay, now keep on watching. Okay, keep on watching, keep on watching. And watching my videos. Okay, now this is our statement. Okay, now what it is giving output, now present it will give false output. What is that? Not a subscribe, so please subscribe and follow my channel. Okay, not subscriber, right? Not subscriber, then follow my channel I given. Okay, next I will go with your one button, and button name as submit, button name as submit or click. Okay, now here I will go with the what is it, updating data. Okay, how to update the data? Now look at here, by using let. Okay, now we'll consider as one name, variable name, and function will take, and inside the function. Okay, and I will go with here. Okay, now set to state, and inside the set to state I need to change false to the true, true to the false. Okay, how to change that one? Not of our statements, it will give as a false condition, correct? So again here, instead of click I will go with the logic. So how to write the logic? Again take here state. Okay, if our state value, if our state value, okay, now in the false condition, okay, then I will give statement as subscribe. Okay, statement as, okay, I will give subscribe. And next, if it is false condition, subscribe. True condition means I will go with the another statement. Okay, now look at, if it is true, then I will give statement as, okay, now keep watching. Okay, keep watching I will give. This is my button. Okay, let me write properly. Okay, keep watching. Okay, if we are in the false condition, then I will give subscribe. Okay, subscribe, subscribe my channel. Okay, now this is our button name. Okay, next we need to call this one, right? How to call it? By using on click event handler. On click event handler equals to the, okay, now function name as dim. Okay, now again check it here. Present we are in the false state, correct? Present we are in the false state. So what it will execute? It will execute not subscribe. So please follow and subscribe my channel, as well as button name as subscribe my channel. Now it is giving or not? Subscribe my channel, as well as it is giving one statement. Okay, if I will follow button, now it's converting into the true condition. So keep watching, and thanks for subscribing. Keep on watching my videos. Okay, now this is comes under the Boolean type of logic we can do. Okay, it is nothing but Boolean type of logic. Okay, now in next video I will go with array logic. Then thanks for watching. Bye guys.